I wanted to give you some more directions to make your life a little bit easier on how to access Freckle on Seesaw. That's Smokey's back. He'll probably turn around in a minute. But I'm going to change the screen again so you can see what I'm looking at. So in the morning or when you get ready, you're going to go to Freckle and then you're going to click on the link. It will take you to this screen. And then you might be thinking, uh-oh, I don't know the class code. Guess what? This is me, Miss Doyle, and that's our class. So all you have to do is click on that arrow. It's going to take me to a list of names. And today, my name is Sample Student. So once you find your name, you're going to click on your tile. And are you ready to start? You betcha. So I'm going to click on that. And then today is our math day. We're all about math on Wednesday this week. So my assignment is to click on math. And I have all these choices: number basics, number facts, adaptive math, and fact practice. Boys and girls, I want you to click on adaptive math. And then you have all these choices. Oh my goodness, look at all that. I want you to click on basic 10, get started. And it's going to give you kind of a test. So I can know as your teacher what I need to help you with as far as math and where you are. And then you would click start, and here you go. So you would finish the test. That's your assignment today. And do your best. Don't worry if you get some wrong or you don't know how to solve it. That's what's telling me where you need help. So have fun. There's Smokey. He loves coming to say hi to the boys and you boys and girls. And have a good day, and we'll talk soon.